na afrafanto kwa wako
107.3
asase pono no afrafanto 2 year
abuza from mu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe hum bia from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok o comment section o by bia be hum bia from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum me say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party Aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey need to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
ala na afrafanto kwa wako
107.3
asase pono no afrafanto 2 year petre afrafanto o hen
Ewurade Nyankopon
wapem
Jenia kasa
Canada won't me nyama mpan no Ghana. That's the gospel truth. Hard truth. Won't me nyama mpan no Ghana. Because when you're honest.
Okay, we know what want to say there. I want a headache.
Won't me nyama mpan no Ghana. I'm telling you, Akraba, Canada can never be a president in Ghana. Ahoya and they kuno because ba omi abi tu ntino won peba omi asem ntino wo bedi nsem hunu be semu but the nyame ache no ohira no nyame na ahira no o anya nipa nyame na ahira Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia so leave it ya de no ko wantimi ya be sa de na ko this one no aka so wabre
forgets. The elephant never forgets.
A prince, and I was a boy party. No, I'm a boy party. No, Sabin Punaco in a minimum. Even 2017, now call in a minimum. 2018, June, I have to consume election, and I made the whole now call. Now, maybe Chama and Puno, now call no gain semi, I will campaign much Chama Habib. By a year, you know, or by me, Chebe Parmecho, and maybe a fine. Me catch a mati. Na ko no me girlfriend. Me can't win yama, me katenda, me kanu boku. Mo pa mo me dua bia, mo person me ko videos, so me ko radio station. Ma bodua live, actually be say yes. Na ko no me girlfriend. Ah na be di no. What I say? Na edipa
En se me wo audio no. Me mpese me to aso bio. So audios ni dey bebre o but me mobile dabi me yawo ko dua dande wona ade we nyina ba
Omunyina bo adwuma enso nko ade mi wu tesa wonso na was water works and house in na sefo eye wadwuma direct yen she denya any policy yen she den wu any policy bia mayen wu se wani abre monfa video ni to so mame Samra boy den monfa video ni to so mame monfa video ni to enso mame se anankofo mra Facebook no mo mehe ne dia krani adwuma no chese aso mo nyina ba works and house all that they are interested in real estate for na no besio ma na no ano no wadwuma nso ani works and housing ministry wadwuma nso ani you are not doing well you are fine gentleman but you are not doing well wadwuma nso ani ye hu adwuma awo ye and when say get me the videos please. Now, Oba Beshe, Samra boy, and then I say for very terrible. Terrible. Ɛhɔ nyinaa flooded, kroni nyinaa flooded. Unte se minis anka krobi na ye serious ha. Anka wone nam hɔ. Check the ekoso. No.
And also the greater Accra me ye galamse wa nkran wa hu. Galamse wuntu mi tu galamse e wa Accra. Anenye sa beti. Wo gyina hɔ sɛ ahemfofo no ɛne ayutiama wuntu mi na wo mutu galamse. And so President John Dramani Mahama Kraba Bontia Beka say, NDC for ne ka ho bi na wo mutu galamse no. Yente President John Dramani Mahama.
The final one is illegal mining. Illegal mining has eaten into the fabric of our society. And I must say that it is not only a menace to our society, but it has involved the circle of traditional rulers, political party appointees and everything. And so even when one party changes, those who were running some operation who were to one party will go to the next party and say, oh, now that you have come and take over this operation and let's share, and we too will be getting small. This is what we're doing. And so I don't kid myself that we don't have our own people involved.
Okay. The president of Ghana, As3m Aba Bontin. Aba betre nkofo wo mu ye galamse. Esa so ka say our own people. Esa so ka say NDC for ka when wo mu ye galamse ya. Ade na kire say wonti me hu nkofo wo mu ye galamse ya. Ade na kire say sa person wo wonti me stop no. As a president of Ghana, As3m Aba Bontin abetre one wo mu ye galamse. Adentina won't put you stop for those people wo mu ye galamse. Adentina won kan che won wo mu njai. O si NDC for ka ho na wo mu ye galamse no. Because MPP feel so a na NDC ba na wo mu change shift no such a way wo mu benya percentage. Tell that means no onim 100% say this is the kind of people so wo mu ye galamse. Inti as a president who nim say nkofo we na wo mu ye galamse and galamse ni so betimi generate to be before from na galamse na wo mu ye ni betimi asai o man Ghana na obetimi asai kuro no na wonim nkofo na wo mu ye galamse ya adentire sa nkofo na wonim wo mu no uma wo mu njai sa galamse ni ye dentia anya wo Kevin Taylor na wo ba Bontin beka say president
Joanna da no simu de bia ye kan ho asem oman we just say yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say hospitals and it goes on and no woman say. It is a Canadian saying and no man in Abaya. statistics can kwa kaya de wasa botumi wo say oh I say wo say people for akonfo na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discl0ses to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate me so be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo isi enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na 10 afi dem keke mu kakaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nko ma ntu with the greatest of respect o mo nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ye ho chief imam for nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ye ho politicians nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ye ho market women no nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho obi ankara ntu ne nko nyina ye ho 2020 do they will know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete Nancy bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest kwa ye yanketenkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kwa ni obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems you know most open konketenkete is enya mo den you people chose policy you people chose music over policy na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu akire me na wo ne wo si akire me sabi me na me ko ka kire rajon dramani ma so o mema was come to buti wana ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de rajon dramani ma ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma bum 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 mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu now to me hu letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me se fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true
okwa ni letter now was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam 1 which is never true
onye adwuma order and onye juma wo hoda ama nam 1 for the first time nam 1 I post oh yes nam 1 I post
ya no catch obi say dipa ne boa
o si sa asem na listen for the first time nam 1 akwa pe ba bia akoda na nam 1 yes na che say was no kura adwiri ni say state institution we intelligence institution who need intel
ayeka bro
problem ni nyina ne say
economy no nkwa na eboa ye
problem ni nyina ne say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone anoni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4-5 months what me supply good no over 75%. Omo koso na se mentem ho ase ba wone nipa na oni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant o mi bo mo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old fediana afi the was by I say any mokra mweda mempemubium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no. We invite na my no issue document say we a fugitive. Jane. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and you sue any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamaba and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
Nana, me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are oh on Sano Huno, no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NNC for my Agyeta.